What's up, guys? It's Nick here with Wise Enterprise. See the hat? Got my Arizona shirt on today. Alma mater, Bear Down, Arizona. But today we're gonna go over our Friday update on our management account. One of our clients that we showed you guys last week that was up $600, which was roughly 10% of her account. And today, as you can see, she's up to $1,211 in profit this week. All right, so basically double what it was from last Friday. All right, so we're having a great start, and we'll just go over main trades that we took on GCAD. If you remember last week on GCAD, I explained. Give me the arrow. I explained that the market would come down here and push up and then sell off. Right? I told you guys we're waiting on that sell to capitalize, and it would drop down here to make a new low, and it did that. All right, it didn't quite make it all the way up here to this level, but came close, and we caught that drop. All right, so now we're on the 4-hour chart. We caught this move up, and you may ask why? Because saw a double bottom. All right, after this major push down, you can see that double bottom right here, and we caught that push up. All right, let's erase that. And now we're still on the higher time frame. We're in the overall downtrend because this zone right here, this blue zone from the last recorded high, has not been broken yet. So even though we broke this trend line, we're still in an overall downtrend until this last high is broken. All right, so we caught that buy up. Now, even though it's Friday, we are in a trade currently. We want to catch this, at least a retrace, all right? If you're in my course, you know it's not a retrace until it hits the 38.2 area. And it did not hit the 38.2. It stopped at 23.6 and continued up. All right, so we're catching this sell from here down to 38.2. And since it's still an overall downtrend, this thing could still go all the way back down here. And it could go all the way down here to create a new low, new lower low, right? So either way, we catch a quick sell or a long sell, we're going to be good. All right, guys, so that's just a quick update on trades we caught on GCAD. If you've been following all, it's going to be good for you guys to follow along because you're going to learn my trading style. And also, if you want to join the Academy course, lifetime mentorship, it's $3.99. You can enroll, and here's all the curriculum you're going to get, 35 plus videos plus one-on-one webinars at the end. All right. With our clients who finish the course, you get a one-on-one 30-minute webinar with me to clear up any questions you may have so you can get started on demo trading, our trading style. All right, so that's it, guys. If you want to get involved with our management account, all right, it's a 60-40% split on the back end. It's currently no upfront management fees yet, so take advantage of that. And the minimum right now is $2,000. Pretty soon it's going to go over to $5,000. So take advantage right now. Get in early while it's low. And, of course, you can always add more as we go once you see the success rate. All right. So I thank you guys for watching, and you'll get the link down below. If you're out of the U.S., you can click the link to FXChoice, which is our broker that we're doing our management account with. If you're in the U.S., just contact us directly via email, DM. And we'll get you a sub account set up with our broker, and you'll be good to go. All you have to do is fund the account, then everything's completely hands-free. You'll get a login through MetaTrader 4 with the password so you can track the results and stats daily. All right, thank you guys for watching. Wise Enterprise out.